Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader of Manikwe School. Manikwe School actually is a school that is dedicated to teaching programming problem-solving skills. It's a school that is dedicated to teach programming by means of tackling different problems in different ways. So, if this is your first time watching this video, I strongly suggest to watch them starting from exercise 1.1 of this textbook here, because this is the textbook we'll be using. And I will also leave a link to it in case you want to get your own copy of the PDF. Okay, so right now what we want to do is, what we're working on is exercise 1.4. We're doing it from student B's perspective. This is what we required to do. We need to write. This is what we are required. This is what. Oh my God, I cannot talk to them. This is what we are required to do. We need to write a program that displays the following table. So let's create a new class. We call it exercise 1 or exercise _1_4B. And then we add the main method. If you recall, student A's solution had a problem. The value of 64, this 64 right here, it wasn't displayed at the correct location. So this is what we're here to fix. So student B decided to use tabs for line spacing. Okay, so this is what we have. We're gonna have system.out.println we're gonna have the same way we did on our last tutorial. This is what we're gonna have. We're gonna have a to the exponent of 1. However, instead of creating a bunch of spaces like this, we're simply gonna put \t. It simply says you create a certain number of spaces in between two words. Okay, and we go a to the exponent of 2 and 4 number of spaces between, and lastly we put a to the exponent of 3. We then go to the next line and simply go system.out.println. So what we want to do is to display 1, and then you concatenate that with \t, which is tab. We're just saying we're creating a number of spaces horizontally, 4 spaces specifically, and then we simply go 1 multiplied by 1. Of course, like in this, if you remember, on our last episode we did this 1 multiplied by 1, but here I want you guys to know that you can remove these brackets and be left out with 1 times 1 only. and then you also gotta concatenate that with \t, and then lastly you create 1 multiplied by 1 for the last time. We can now simply copy this whole thing and paste it at the bottom. You replace 1 with 2 the same way we did on our last episode. You replace 1 with 3. You see, what you'll notice is on this solution here, we're no longer gonna have a problem we had last time. That is to have the number 64 displayed at the wrong location. So let's save it and then run it and see our results. There we go. You see 64 now is properly in line with the number 27 on top of it. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. We have got to go to the next one. Basically, the idea is you keep using the multiple arithmetic operator. You can put as many tabs as you want to get the desired output. That's it. That's all. See you guys in the next tutorial, which will be exercise 1.4c. That is exercise 1.4 from students' perspective. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.